Hi everyone, Sue Cook here. I just wanted to share with you why I did the deodorant and toothpaste courses yesterday. And there are two reasons. And one is that the ingredients in my homemade deodorant and toothpaste are really healthy. And the other thing is the cost. So if you buy commercial deodorants and toothpaste, say for a family of 4, you're looking at spending on the sort of cheapest ranges about £340 a year. Whereas you can kit yourself out with all these ingredients for just over 30 quid. And these ingredients will actually last you 1 or 2 years. So that's why it's so cheap. And it only takes 10 minutes to make a set of deodorants. So yesterday I made a few. It took me about 10 minutes. And to do deodorant, toothpaste, sorry, again, that take you about 10 minutes to make a load, enough to last you for months. So it's quick, it's cheap, it's easy, and chemical free, no nasties in there. And I just think it's brilliant. I wanted to share that with you. So I made the courses, and the courses are 20 quid for the 2, and you save that money immediately. So I hope you enjoy them.